Computer speaking text, or read aloud, is a built-in accessibility option in many Microsoft products to help users browse or consume content in a way that best suits their needs. This includes Windows, Edge, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, and more. Officially, it's called TTS, or text-to-speech. The speak or read aloud capability is not only suggested for users with disabilities, but it's also useful if a user is just tired of reading the screen or busy with something else. If you're an application developer or accessibility solution provider, you can easily incorporate the read aloud feature with your apps using the text-to-speech capability of Azure Cognitive Services. Text-to-speech, or TTS, is a speech service feature on Azure that converts text to lifelike speech. With the state-of-the-art neural text-to-speech technology, you can enable fluid, natural-sounding speech that matches the stress patterns and intonation of human voices. Here are a few examples of the voices supported.
The third type, a logarithm of the unsigned fold change, is undoubtedly the most tractable.
您好，欢迎致电客服中心。我是华北地区的客服人员，工号0165，请问有什么可以帮您？
Bestimmte Berufsgruppen sind nur noch schwer zu rekrutieren.
Tenete conto di un fattore importante.
Empowered by deep neural networks, these voices are expressive and nearly indistinguishable from natural spoken voice. In general, the TTS capability supports close to 50 languages and variances, allowing you to engage global audiences easily. Better yet, if you want to differentiate your brand with a unique voice, you can develop a highly realistic voice using the custom voice capability for your scenarios. Hear how natural the custom neural voices are.
Is version 3 the JPEG version? That would be fantastic.
Dylan, can I see your picture?
To build this TTS capability into your apps, all you need are a few lines of code that specify the voice names and the text you want to convert into audio, along with a few other parameters for controlling the output. Text-to-speech is an important piece of the speech service feature on Azure, enabling your users to browse and consume the content in a way that best suits their needs. Get started with Azure Speech Service today.